In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring bill in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or managing the finances of a larger organization, setting up recurring bills can save you significant time and effort in managing your accounts payable. So let's get started and make sure you know exactly how to automate this part of your finances. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Zoho Books website. It's the starting point for all your financial management within the Zoho ecosystem. Once there, look towards the top right of the page where you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll need to log in with your Zoho credentials, so make sure you have those handy. Once you're logged in and on the Zoho Books homepage, it's time to navigate to the correct section where you can create your recurring bill. Look for the Purchases tab in the main navigation menu. Clicking here will take you to a page displaying an overview of all your purchase related documents. From here, find and click on Recurring Bills. This is where all your previously created recurring bills will be listed, and it's also where you can create a new one. Now, to actually set up a new recurring bill, you'll want to look for the Create Recurring Bill button. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy to start the process. Click on that button to begin setting up your recurring payment details. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter several important details about your recurring bill. This includes information such as the vendor's name, the bill start date, and the frequency of the billing cycle, whether it's weekly, monthly, or another interval. Make sure to enter all relevant information accurately to ensure that your bill is set up exactly as you need. After you've entered all the necessary information, it's a good practice to double check everything to ensure there are no mistakes. Once you're confident that everything is correct, go ahead and confirm or save your new recurring bill. And that's it, you've now successfully set up a recurring bill in Zoho Books. Whenever payments are due, Zoho Books will automatically handle the billing according to the parameters you've specified. This automation can help ensure your bills are paid on time, reducing the risk of late fees and the hassle of manual entries. Remember, Zoho Books offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help manage all aspects of your business finance, so be sure to explore other features as well to get the most out of your Zoho Books experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful content on managing your business finances.